Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Surface.
What does the dictionary say?
The outer face, outside, or exterior boundary of a thing. Outermost or uppermost layer or area.
Math rap.
On an object. It's the outside layer, it has no thickness to its area. A surface is 2D, that's a fact. It can be curved like on a ball or when on paper flat.
Math rap.
On the surface, this math term seems quite easy to understand. If you think that, you're standing on solid ground. Scratch the surface and explain your thoughts on surface. List 10 things that have a surface. Now draw and label 5 of those 10 things that you listed. Is a ceiling a surface? Why or why not?
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!